Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and today we're gonna do an unboxing, and this is from the 20p collection, and the box is just so huge, guys, and let's open it. So I've been wanting to have this since it first came out, and I'm just like hesitant because it is so soft and it doesn't have that structure, so I'm thinking if it will be able to hold well when it comes to longevity and durability. And finally I gave in. So my SA showed this to me if I'm interested. I've been wanting the small, but I also like a bigger purse since I already have a lot of small purses, and this came with this. And this is the receipt. I got this from Neiman Marcus, and let's open it. So this comes in goat skin and lamb skin. When it first came out, it comes in goat skin, and then they did produce the lamb skin, which I'm not really a fan of. And this one is in goat skin. So let's put the box aside and let's open the purse. So this is it, guys, and I have not seen this in person because each time I visit Chanel, it's always out of stock. And this is the Chanel 19 purse in medium size in goat skin leather. So as you can see, it is very, very pretty. It's rich and it's squishy and soft, and I've noticed that this one has a little structure to it here on each side, and the hardware is so pretty, and this can be worn handheld, crossbody, and here on your shoulder. And this is the price. This is the barcode. Just let me know, guys, if this has increased, because this is now part of the classic collection, which means that this will be included in the price increases together with the classic flaps. And let's look at the straps. So the straps has three hardwares, and this one is in shiny hardware, this is in brush gold hardware, and the handle is in gunmetal hardware. Same thing, so it goes all the way here for the gunmetal hardware, and here on each side is the brush gold. This one is in brush gold hardware. This chain is not heavy at all, and the purse is also light. So comparing with the jumbo, which is the bigger size, I think this is way lighter than the jumbo. And this is the medium, which looks like a jumbo. And let's measure the purse, because I know the most common ones are the small size. So across it's 11.5 inches, and then the height is 7 inches, and then the width is 4 inches. And let's measure the shorter strap. The shorter strap is 4, it's like 4 inches, and then the longer strap is 18 inches. And this is the felt covering, and it also has a brush gold hardware here. This is a huge purse, guys, and inside it's just like one compartment and a zipper pull here. And this is the authenticity card, and this is in 29 series. And I love that they put a gold hardware here, which has the CC logo, and inside says it has a metal hardware as well here, which says Chanel, made in France. And this one is in cloth lining. And at the back, like this. And it has a decent space here at the back where you can put your phone and other stuff. And it is in magnetic hardware closure here in the middle, which can make your stuff secure inside. And it looks like this. So the quilting is huge and puffy, and the bottom is also soft, so it will be nice if you will put a bag organizer here to keep the shape, and as well as will make the inside of the purse clean as well if you have a bag organizer in. And this one is in goatskin leather, and it goes all the way around the purse. So it has a shiny finish to it, and the bottom looks like this. So this is such a pretty purse, and I'm glad that Chanel makes this a classic, because this is really very pretty, and it may look trendier than the other classic Chanel, but it's really nice that the hardware are big and substantial, and also the logo as well. So let's measure the logo and see. So the length is 1.5 by 1.5 by 2 for the logo, and it has a leather intertwine here inside. And let's compare this with the brooch that I have. So this one is in champagne gold hardware with pearl and leather in the middle. So this is kind of similar with the leather intertwined in the middle as well. And let's compare this side by side with my Chanel reissue, so that you will be able to see the size of this purse. And this is, as I've said, a big purse, as you can see it together like this. I will do a mud shot after this, so that you'll be able to see how it is on my body frame. And I am 5'4" in height and weighs 120 pounds. So it looks like this, and then with the pochette métis, looks like this. This at the side, and at the bottom looks like this. So you can really fit a lot in this purse, and the leather feels like soft, and I hope it will stand the test of time. But it is a pillowy, soft leather, and that's why I said that a bag organizer is really a must in this kind of purse. And it's nice that they make this structured here, so it will not sag easily. This is such a cute purse, guys, and let me know what you think of it. So again, this is a medium size. Thank you guys for watching, and may all of you have a wonderful day. And for those returning subscribers, thank you so much, and take care, everyone. So let's go now to the mud shots.